Welcome back. This is our second tutorial about using text in AutoCAD. In this lesson, we're going to try the multi-line text option. In our previous lesson, we used the single line option. We're on the Annotate tab. Let's expand the text object flyout and select multi-line text. First thing we've got to do is specify the first corner of the box. Here we have the letters A, B, and C. This represents how your text is going to look. If, on your computer, the text looks too big or small, you can specify the other corner or modify the object using any of the options you see in the command line. Let's right-click and select Height. Enter a value of 0.8, and let's press Enter. Now we're ready to specify the opposite corner with a left click. The text editor opens, and it looks pretty similar to other standard text editors. You're going to recognize a lot of the commands. If you don't see the ruler right here, click this button. Now let's type in our text values. Similar to a text editor, I've got a red underline when AutoCAD senses a spelling error. Let me put in the space to separate the words and text. Now let's highlight the text, right-click, and select Copy. AutoCAD lets me know that if I paste this text into another application, it might be difficult to see. Let's close the warning window. And now let's press Ctrl-V on the keyboard and numerous times to paste in multiple copies. To edit the text, highlight and select the property that you'd like to apply. Let's say bold or italic, numbered list, lettered list, and so on. Now let's adjust the height of the text box. I'm going to grab and make my column a bit smaller. AutoCAD automatically creates another column to accommodate the text, and now a third. When I grab this diamond, I can make my text box smaller or larger. Remember that when we're in text editing mode, if I try to change properties, I'm not able to from the Properties panel. When you're finished editing the text, click Close or just left-click on the screen. Like the single text line, AutoCAD treats the multi-text line as a regular object. With the text selected, we're able to expand the Properties panel and modify properties such as color or justification. Let's try bottom center. Now we've got a different justification. Let's open the Properties panel again. Modify the text height, let's say to 0.75. If our text sits on top of the background geometry, we can implement a background mask. Let's select blue and click OK. Now let's remove the mask. Let's uncheck and OK. To edit the text in the text editor, just double-click on the text box. Let's change the justification to top left. If I need to place a specific symbol, click the symbol icon, and we can select from a number of options right here. We can also choose Other, and this gives us a larger list of symbols to choose from. Just choose a symbol, select, copy, close, and Ctrl-V to paste the symbol right into our text box. AutoCAD also lets us import text. Right-click, Import Text. Here we can insert text from a file. We're only able to import the text from a simple text file. Let's cancel out and close the text editor. And this concludes our second tutorial about using text in AutoCAD.